Since the Ooni Pizza Oven is all set up and ready to go, and it's Wednesday, I figure it's time to put this Ooni Pizza Oven to the test. We are going to be a little conservative today because I don't want to put a whole pizza in here on our first try and burn it up. So we are going to be using French bread to make a pizza. So join me. It's Wednesday, and let's make a French bread, sausage and mushroom pizza in the Ooni Pizza Oven. Okay, so I cooked up some sausage. You want to cook your sausage in advance because it's not going to cook on the pizza. Some people put their sausage in raw when you're cooking it in a slower oven. I don't do that. I cook mine because I don't want to eat raw meat. So let me get the mushrooms. Okay, I'm cooking up some mushrooms. You don't have to cook your mushrooms. I just do because I don't like them to have that dry taste. Just depends on what kind of style you want. So as soon as these are done, I'll take them off. So we've made one of these before. We're just doing this to test the Ooni. This is just your average everyday club roll. We're going to go ahead and give it a...
This is not your average club roll. This is a Cardinal.
This is one of my favorite ones.
This is tasty.
So we're going to go ahead and give it some nice sauce. You can use whatever kind of pizza sauce you like to use. It's going to take up quite a bit of sauce. Here, boo. So this is going to be Eric's. You like a lot of sauce or a little sauce? I already know the answer to that.
I want some.
A lot.
I don't want to be like a desert.
Got some cheese action going on. So we're not going to be heating this Ooni up to like it's 900 degree maximum because we will kill these things. This isn't baking bread. This is just...
But this is our first cook, so we have no experience with it.
No experience whatsoever. So...
we might go cautious.
We're going very cautious. We got pepperoni action. How about that, boo?
I don't know. I might need to go closer to me, my pretty.
A little sausage action. How about that?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Boo has a lot of faith that this is going to come out like...
I don't know.
Like darkened chicken, right? Oh, black and burnt.
I don't know how this is going to come out. This is going to be our first testing of this. And we got pizza number 2. And this is for the cheese-free among us. Because I'm allergic to cheese, so it will be just as tasty, though. Because it's going to have that nice smoke on there.
Oh, there's going to be smoke, all right.
We're going to sausage it up. I'm not going to put pepperoni on mine. And we're going to mushroom it up. Okay, so let's go out to the Ooni. So we got a little lump charcoal up in here. I think the stone is 400 in the front and 600 in the back. I don't want it to be overly hot because I don't want to burn up our pizza. So let's put it in. Okay, so Eric's got the thing off here. Might have to set that down, boo.
Huh?
Set that thing down.
I have to set it down. I'm like, one thing at a time here.
Okay.
You know, I'm multi-talented.
In it goes. Oh, Lord. Yeah, check it.
Does it look burnt yet on that side?
It's getting toasty. Put it over here.
So come on, rotate around, baby. Make it go sideways. Come on.
Okay, it was in there for like 15 seconds, and we did a quarter turn. Back it goes. Ooh, that's way in there that time.
You know, it's in there. Might only get 10 seconds. Quarter turn, please.
It's not gonna cook the ingredients. So we did another quarter turn and we put it back in there. Check it again. Go all the way in and bring it out.
How's that side look? Not good enough, or is it okay? Obviously, we might have to do a couple of strips on here.
Time to rotate. I think one big problem here is I just put a lot of toppings on there, so I don't know if it's gonna melt. It's melting a little.
Well, the peel is melting it. I think I'm getting a little bit of melted.
I think it's time to cut these babies. Okay. Cheers, Boo.
Cheers.
Dink. Cheers. Tastes like pizza.
Pizza.
So I think I could have left mine in a little bit longer.
Got a little thunder coming, Boo.
So this was our first test of the Ooni Karu. It did a great job. We have a lot of learning to do.
I think we may have underperformed on purpose because we're so worried of over burning it. The heat could have been higher. We could have left it in longer between things. I burnt one of Amy's sides because I had too close to the heat source.
Well, you've never taken anything in and out of the oven, so this was a good test for you because you didn't have that action. Like when you do pizza, when you go to take your pizza out of the Ooni, you got to stick that peel all the way in and get the pizza all the way under it. You can't just stick it in a little bit and do this. Well, you got to get it all the way under there.
The peel is kind of cool because when you get under the pizza, and maybe what Amy was trying to say is you jam the peel really hard to get it under, because it will slide with the pizza, or in this case, the sub. And you get under, and then you pull it back slowly to bring it out. And then likewise, when you put it in there, you put it in slowly, but then you jerk it to get it out. But my problem is I have two heat sources a little bit. I've got the back, which is really hot, and then the front door, which is also hot. And I got a little cheese stuck to it because I didn't push my thing back far enough at times. So you can hear that sizzling. But I'm so worried about burning the whole thing up and having a charcoal dinner that maybe I didn't leave it in as long on the rotations.
I might put mine in a little bit more. Tasty, boo.
Well, it's very tasty.
You can hear me crunching.
Well, maybe next time we'll get some friendly char, just enough to be tasty, but not enough to be overkill.
Yeah. So, guys, this was my first test. We are going to be moving on to regular pizza, but I wanted to just give it this first thing.
Thin crust, less toppings.
Yeah, thin crust, less toppings.